watching some of that Life Flight of Maine video earlier, see how much bare ground is out there right now.
Grass.
Yeah, and so like to varying degrees of positivity depending on where you are exactly. But you know, we're going to get probably at least two more things that will be mixing with snow. It's just a matter of.
Not enough to cover those trails, though.
No. Yeah, I mean, I would say that it was a weird winter because it was cold, and we had some snow, but yeah, we never had that like back to back type situation that we have some years. But hey, better than the last few where it was mild pretty much the whole time. This front that gave us a lot of rain. I was checking the reports. Some cases a little bit more of rain. Definitely more over down East Maine. It has been so slow to move away. So yesterday at noon, Brian and I were here, and I was saying, oh, the front is in the mid-coast. So now 36 hours later, the front is here. It's been so slow to move away, and as a result, the clouds have been too. So we ended up with a little bit more cloud cover today than I anticipated. Excuse me, getting choked up thinking about getting that wrong. Anticipated over western Maine, just now getting that edge to slide out of the state, and that's because the front moves slow, so the clouds move slow too. Still, we were able to get in the upper 40s in a lot of spots, some low 50s. Tonight we'll drop down to the 30s and we will clear out. Tomorrow looks like a good day. A lot of sunshine, especially the first half of the day. Temperatures rise into the 40s, a lot of us into the low 50s by tomorrow afternoon too. Few clouds possible in the mountains in the middle of the day into the early afternoon. Most of us stay sunny, and then clouds start rolling in along the coastline right around, it looks like sunset. And that will be low cloudiness and some fog likely that rolls in there. And it basically becomes overcast overnight on Wednesday and then through the day on Thursday. And Thursday is just kind of a gloomy day. The low clouds, there's some drizzle out there too. The best chance of seeing some sun, really the only chance, is on the northwest side of the ridgelines here because the low cloudiness will get stuck hitting the high terrain. So on the other side, downsloping, you might see some sun there, but most of us socked in through the day Thursday, temperatures in the 40s. And then a system moves in on Thursday night, Friday. It starts as rain. The question is whether or not we can efficiently change over to snow. And I think in the mountains in northern Maine we can. As we deepen this low enough, we drag in some cold air. We could get maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow in the mountains in northern Maine. I do think some snow will crash to the coast on Friday into Friday night. I just think it's hard to get any real accumulation out of it when it's a downslope northwest wind behind a rain event. So we'll have a snowfall map out for you tomorrow. I think it's mostly, though, a mountain and northern Maine event. Pretty nice weekend. Saturday is the better of the two weekend days for sure. Sunday's okay, but it gets a little brisk and a little bit cloudier too. And then now Monday interests me for the coastline because it will start as snow and change to rain, and that we do quite well. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's the easier way to do snow in the kind of the fringe season, shoulder seasons like this. So I don't think it's a huge storm, but I could see some snow returning to a couple of spots that have bare ground now on Monday.
Okay, interesting. Thank you, Keith.